Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be fixing the Microsoft Print to PDF not working issue in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us first disable and enable the Microsoft Print to PDF service. So we can do that if we go to the Windows features. So please go to the Windows search tab there, type Windows features. So once you type that, you will see this turn Windows features on or off under best match. So all you need to do is just to click on that to open. Once it's already open, you will see this kind of window coming up. So we have here turn Windows features on or off. So to turn a feature on, select its checkbox. To turn a feature off, clear its checkbox. A filled box means that only part of the feature is turned on. So all you need to do here is to go over this one. Go over and look for Microsoft Print to PDF option. So if you see that this is already checked, then you can uncheck this one and then check it again and then click on OK and then close this. Click on OK and then it will start searching for a file, and then all you need to do is just to, so a window will appear here and it will say that it's starting searching for a file. So all you need to do after the search is just to make a quick restart, and then once you're back, we will go to Windows features again and we will uncheck, or we will uncheck the Microsoft Print to PDF option here. Once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to restart the PC, and then your settings will now be applied. Now, once you're done with this one, all you need to do is just to go with printers and scanners. So please go with the search tab again. Here we need to type printers and scanners. So here under best match, you will see the printers and scanners option. Please click on that to open, and then once you do that, you will be able to see here if the Microsoft Print to PDF option is here. So let us look for it. Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, so we have it, Microsoft Print to PDF. So if you haven't seen this kind of option, all you need to do is just click on this add device option here or button, and once you click on that, it will start scanning for your computer, printer. And if it says that the printer that I wasn't listed appears, so we can add a new device manually. So click on that, and then you can select this last option here, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Now once you have selected it, please click on next, and once you have done that, you will be able to see here a window where you want to, or we have to choose a printer board. So just click on this use an existing port. If you see this drop down button, please click on that, and you will see this file, print to file. Please click on file, then click on next. And then if you have seen here in the manufacturer option or section the Microsoft, please click on that. And for the printers, all you need to do is just to look for Microsoft PDF to print. If you haven't found that, please just click this Windows Update, and it will start looking for the Microsoft Print to Microsoft Print to PDF, and then it will start loading, and then it will start looking for the printers. And then once the loading is done, all you need to do is just to select the Microsoft Print to PDF option, and then just click on next, and then make a quick restart with your PC, and you will be able now to add or fix now the Microsoft Print to PDF that is not working. Okay, so once you have done that, close all these windows here, and that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.